Another brand has sent me a package full of goodies, and I'm going to unbox it with you. Hey, I'm Paul Gatter, and this year, PowWows.com is turning 30. It's been 30 incredible years, and it's because of you, the community. So for this year, to celebrate our 30th anniversary, I'm reaching out to brands, and I want to highlight at least 30 brands for our 30 years of PowWows.com. So I've asked companies to send us some things. I'll unbox it and show you what it is. And then during our celebration coming up this summer, in June, July, August, I'm going to have a giveaway, and I will give away all this stuff. So today, I've got a care package from my friends, and I've gotten to meet them and interview them and talk to them at PowWows. So it's super cool to be working today with Bison Star Naturals. The company is run by a husband and wife team, Angelo and Jacqueline McHorse. They met in Colorado and they started this company, and they have some amazing products, from soaps and lotions to all kinds of stuff, lip balms. So let's unpackage this and see what you have a chance to win this summer. All right. Some stickers. One of these is going to go on my sticker wall, but the rest we'll give away. All right, let's see what we got. So here's what it looks like. We'll unwrap this. This is really full. So this is their Sage Pine lotion. And I'm going to crack this open just to smell it. Oh, man. That takes you right to the woods. That's awesome. All right, let's see. I don't know if I'll unwrap everything, but I'll try to. Okay, this is a Sage Pine conditioner. So for your hair, ladies, there's going to be a lot of stuff in here you're going to like. Here's the Sage Pine shampoo. And their lip balms. That's going to be hard to focus on. I don't know if my camera can grab that. Let's see, how do influencers do this? There, look, that worked. Okay. See, I've seen people on TikTok do that. All right, so we got some lip balms. Really appreciate them participating in this. They've participated with some giveaways in the past. Their lavender lotion, I've got one of these next to the bed. I'm not a big lotion fan personally, but this one I just love the smell of. So a little touch of this is really relaxing. Yeah, that's good. Love that. Okay, now got some bigger bottles here. This is their Sage Pine conditioner, a large bottle of it. I keep seeing more stuff. All right, this is their Sage Pine soap. Man, can you imagine what your bathroom would smell like after all of this? It's gonna be pretty awesome. Okay, this is their Sage Pine shampoo. So appreciate them reaching out. Go check them out, BisonStarNaturals.com. Okay. This is their cedar lotion for hand and body. That one I'm going to have to smell. That one's different flavor. Wow. Yeah, they really do make a good quality product. I've always been impressed with their stuff. You see them a lot of times set up at PowWows. We've run into them several times. Ooh, at Gathering Nations. And I just dropped that box. Any second now, my wife's going to call up wondering what I did. All right. Looks like we just got one thing left in the box, and it is a big thing of their Sage Pine soap. That's a big container. This one will last you a while. This is 32 ounces. So thank you for Bison Star for reaching out and participating with us. Don't forget, you can enter to win this when the 30th anniversary celebration starts this summer. Good luck. I hope it's you. But thank you for 30 years here at PowWows.com. And look for more unboxings coming up soon.